One of my favorite things about camping has always been cooking outside. This became even more true once we bought our Blackstone griddle. I use this thing just about every single camp out. Today, I'm sharing with you 5 simple menus which you can prepare on the Blackstone, over the fire, or on your stove. They're super versatile, come together quickly, and use minimal ingredients, making them perfect for your campouts.
So I'm in the process of making dinner for tonight. We are going to have beef barbecue. So I decided to use my cast iron pan on top of the Blackstone to help contain the barbecue. I could do it just on the Blackstone, but because it tends to be a little bit soupy, I decided not to do that. Okay, so here is the beef cooking in the pan. Could have done this on the fire. We do have a fire pit, but it's hot and it takes a lot longer, so I like doing it this way. I'll cook this up. Right now it's just some ground beef and a little bit of seasoning, just some salt, pepper, onion powder. I'm going to throw in a little bit of garlic and then just some like ketchup and mustard and a little bit of barbecue sauce to make it into a nice little beef barbecue. So we'll put that on rolls and then serve that up with some chips and fresh fruit. So I'll have that coming up pretty soon. All right, tonight's high-tech dinner. We are doing some grilled chicken here, and then we're going to chop it up and serve it over some Caesar salad. So we'll have chicken Caesar salad. I do have some wraps. If anybody wants wraps, we can do that. Alrighty, so the chicken's all chopped up, and I turned the gas on the grill off. And I'm just gonna let that sit while I go get the rest of my stuff ready to get my families out at the lake swimming. So as soon as they get back, we'll eat. Tonight's Blackstone dinner is grilled Brussels sprouts and chicken tenders. And just throw them on there, keep stirring them up, put a little seasoning on them, and you're good to go. Tonight's Blackstone dinner is going to be basically like a nachos walking taco kind of idea. Made up some ground beef on the Blackstone here, added some seasonings. I found today, very excited about this, I found some Blackstone seasoning when I was at Walmart, so I'm trying them out. So we added a little bit of tequila lime into this for the tacos for tonight. And here's the finished product. Alright, tonight we are doing bruschetta chicken and grilled asparagus. So this is an old Kraft Foods recipe. Marinate them. I didn't have sun-dried tomato dressing, so I just used some Italian dressing. So you marinate chicken cutlets, thin cut chicken breasts, and then, or you can pound them out. And then so you grill them on one side for about 7 minutes on high heat. Then you flip them, and up in here, I'll show you, I have a little concoction here of Roma tomatoes, basil, some more dressing, some garlic, and some mozzarella cheese. And we're gonna melt that down over the top. That will be dinner. It's gonna be yum, yum, yum. Can't wait. Alright, chicken's done. It's just sitting there cooling off, waiting, kind of letting the cheese melt down a little bit more. And then asparagus is on, rolling that up.